Hi guys, I promised you a few days ago that I had some homework that had to be done, and this is it right here. And what's happened here, and I've already done all the tedious work of taking the old rusty nails out, but this piece here has gone bad and it leaves the banister loose. So what I did was, using scraps of wood, just cut another one. And I measured that one in there, down there, and I'm going to use, instead of old nails that'll go bad, I'm going to use aluminum screws. Now look. Simple and easy, fixed and done. Thanks guys, like and subscribe.